To add a calculator button to the Quick Access toolbar, click on the down arrow, then click on More Commands. From the drop-down list, choose Commands Not on the Ribbon. Then click on the calculator, then click on the Add button. With the calculator still selected, click on the up arrow so that calculator appears on the top. Go back to the Commands From area and move the slider to the top until you see the separator. Click Add, then click OK. You will now see the calculator on the left side of the Quick Access toolbar with a separator. To add more buttons to the Quick Access toolbar, click on the down arrow, then click on More Commands. Under Customize Quick Access toolbar, click on the down arrow list and select the name of the current workbook being used. Under the Choose Commands From drop-down arrow, select Insert tab. Add Insert Combo Chart, Insert Picture, and Insert Table. Click OK. And you will see the 3 new buttons on the right side of the Quick Access toolbar. And let's move the Quick Access toolbar from the top of the ribbon to the bottom of the ribbon.